Good morning, students. Today we will discuss exercise 13.3 from NCERT. In previous video, I told you exercise 13.1 and 13.2. In this video, 13.3, I will explain. First question, write the following numbers in the expanded form. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. First question. First part is given 2794 04 279404. Clear? Write the expanded. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 2,79,404. Write in expanded form. The expanded form means you see suppose that 4. The 4 is place, ones place, tens place, hundred place. So from that number you will do multiply in this number. Say 2. The 2 multiple 1. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like. So 2 in like place. So after 2 you will see how much number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0 you will write. Plus 7 into 1. After 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 into, here is plus 9 multiple 1, 2, 3 plus 4 multiple 100. By 400 place means 4 into 100. After 4, 2 number is there. That's why 2 0 we have taken. 0 means 0 plus 4 into 1. Clear? Any problem? See, this number is given. Question is asking to write the following number in expanded form. In the expanded form. Expanded means we have done what? In express form. Clear? So 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? When you want to expand of this number, you can write like this. Clear? After 2, 7 is given, plus 7 into 1. 1 after 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 0 we have taken. 9 plus 9 into 1. 1 after 9, 3 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 9 into 1000. Clear? Into plus 4 into 1, 2, 0, 1 into plus 0 plus 4 into 1. Clear? It is in expanded form. You can write like this answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to be 10 power 5. Clear? Plus 7, 10 power 4. Plus 9, 10 power 3, plus 4, 10 power 2. Clear? Plus 0 plus 4. Clear? Exponent and power chapter is there. So you can write like this also. Note down. Second one. First, second part. 0061 94. 1 times 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10. 30 lakh, 6,190. Clear? write in expanded form. Expanded form means you can do like that. Whatever I told in first part, in this part you follow 3 multiple 1. So after 3 how much number? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, plus the 0 if you will do multiply from 0 in any number, the result will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. Here the 0 place, if you will write like this, no problem with that. If you want to write like that, 0 multiple 1, 0 multiple 1, it's like this. 0 multiple 1. So after 0 how much number? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 here, but result will be 0. That's why we have written there 0 plus 0 into 1. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 plus 6 multiple 1 2 3. Okay, plus 1 multiple 1 1 2 plus 9 multiple 1 plus 4. Okay, after that we can write like this also. 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6, 10 to the power 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 multiple 10 to the power 3 plus 1 multiple 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. Okay, we can write like this. 10 3 into 10 to the power 6, 0 plus 0 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. Clear? Now second question. In second question given in expanded form, so write in, find the number from each of the following expanded. Whatever expanded form is given, that numbers you find out. Note down this. Second one, 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Clear? 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Clear? So 8 into 10 to the power 4 means 1 2 3 4 0. Clear? Plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 is 0. 4 into 10 to the power 1 means only 10 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 means 1. I told you in previous video, if any variables and number power is 0, so that number's value will be 1. Okay, so there is 10 to the power 0 means that place we can write 1. After that 8 1 2 3 4 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5. You can do plus. If you cannot do like this, you can do like this. 1 2 3 4 6. Okay, 0. After that 45 plus 5 4 0 6 8 means 86,000 45. It is the answer. Again I am telling you 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3, 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. It is a question given in expanded form. Clear? 8 into 10 to the power 4 means 10,000. Means 1 you will write. After that you see how much power is given there. That how much 0 you will write there. 10 to the power 4 means after 1 4 0 you will write. Clear? Plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000 plus 0 into 10 means 0 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 means 10 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0 means 1. Because if any number and variable's power is given 0, so that place you can take 1. 8 into the 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5. After that do plus like this you get 86,045. Okay, note down. Second week. One more part I am telling you. Second will 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. So 4 into 10 to the power 5 means after 1 5 0 you will write here plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 means 1000 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 means 100 plus 2 10 to the power 0 means 1. If any number variable's power is given 0, so that value we will take 1. Clear? Okay? After that 4 1 4. 1 2 3 4 5 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 200. Okay? After that do plus 1 2 3 4 5. Okay? 5,000 5,000 300 2 plus 2 0 3 5 0 40 means 40,000 4 lakh 5,300. Okay? The 4 into 10 to the power 5 means 4 into after 1 1 stands 100 1,000 4 into 1 lakh plus 5,000 5 into 1,000 plus 3 10 to the power 2 means 100 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0 means 1. So 4 into lakh 4 lakh plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 202. After that do plus the 4 lakh 5,302 you will get. Okay? Note down this. Third one, express the following numbers in standard form. 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 times 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh 5. Write in standard form. Write in standard form means write in exponential form. Okay? Means 5. After that see how much 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 equal to 5 into 10 to the power 7. The standard form equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. Question number 3 ki express the following number in standard form. You can do like this. Clear? Second one is also 1 2 1 2 3. Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 means standard form equal to 7 into how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 to the power 6. Clear? Standard form means do like this, means write in exponential form. It is given in numbers form, we can write in standard form, means write in exponential form. Question number 4, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. Note down this. Distance between Earth and Moon equal to, it means equal to 384, okay, means 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 38 crore 40 lakh. Clear? So write in standard form. Asking if the distance between Earth and Moon, the distance between Earth and Moon is given 38 crore 40 lakh. So write in standard form. Standard form equal to form of 38 crore 40 lakh 1 10 100,000 10 lakh 10 crore 10 crore. Clear? So write in standard form. Standard form means from right to left. From right to left. Clear? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means 3.84 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 to the power. It is in standard form. If you want to write distance between Earth and Moon in standard form, you can write like this: 3.84 into 10 to the power 8. Clear? 38 crore 40 lakh given. Asking write in standard form. So we will put the decimal after one number. Clear? Start from 0, from 3. Just we will put the decimal. After that you count it. After decimal how much number is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 number means 10 to the power 8. Clear? Meter. By distance given in meter, we will write meter. Okay. Second one is also speed of light in vacuum is 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh crore 30 crore. Write in standard form. 4 speed of light in vacuum, it means equal to 30. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 5 6 7 8 meter per second. Speed of light in vacuum equal to 30. 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh करोड़ 10 करोड़ ठीक है। तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ 30 करोड़ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ 30 करोड़ इक्वल टू 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 to the power meter per okay, so it is in standard form okay। so 13.3 exercise is completed, only 4 question is given। I told you so this chapter is completed, there is only 3 exercise। so in RS Agrawal exercise 5a I told you, if you have seen previous video you knowing very well okay। exercise 5b 5a completed, exercise 5b in first question express each of the following numbers in standard form। exercise 5b okay, express each of the following numbers in standard form। in this type question I told you in NCERT first question given there, but again I am telling you question number 1 538 write in standard form। standard form I told you, expanded form also I told you। expanded or standard there is different। expanded means you open this number ki this number in which place, this number in which place, this number is in which place, but in standard form means write in exponential form, means change in exponential form। so standard form of 538 equal to 5.38 okay। 5 you see whatever question is given, the first number you see just first number, just after first number you put decimal, then after decimal you see how much number is given there, that much power only you will write। after decimal here is 2 number means 10 to the power 2 you can write, clear। this is now second question 64 28 1 2 3 clear। तो standard form of 64 1 2 3 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 64 lakh 28,000 equal to 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 10 here standard form of 538 equal to, so you see start from 6, so 6 just after 6 put the decimal, after that write the number 6.428 here 0 you don't write, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 means into 10 to the power 6 clear। 6.428 into 10 to the power 6 it is a standard form of this number। second question express each of the following numbers in standard form। this question I told you in NCERT, you see if question is same means digit is also same, so that question you don't do again okay। if digit is changed, question is asking same but digit is changed, you can do, clear। so question number 3 write the following number in expanded form। question number 3 first 68 45 0 1 10 100,000 10,000 68 lakh 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh 6,84,502. Expanded form. Expanded form of 68 4502 equal to the expanded form. You see number given in which place? Clear? 6. So 6 multiple 1 after 6 1 2 3 4 5 5 0 plus 8 into 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 plus 4, okay, plus 4 into 1 1 2 3 0, okay, then plus 5 into 100 plus 0 plus 2, okay. It is in expanded form. You can do like this: 6 into 1 2 3 4 5 10 to the power 5 plus 8 into 1 2 3 4 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2, okay, plus 0 or plus 2, okay, plus 0 and plus 2. 6 into 10 to the power 5 plus 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 0 plus 2, okay. It is in expanded form. Note down. Fourth one, 6 into 10 to the power 4 plus 3 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power 0. This given in expanded form. Write the numeral whose expanded form is given. So write the numeral. 6 into 10 to the power 4 means 1 2 3. What you see how much power is given there. 4 after 1 that much 0 you will write. Plus 3 10 to the power 3 means 1000 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 means 100. 7 into 10 8 into 1 10 to the power 0 means 1 1 2 3 4 plus 3000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 800. Clear? So 60,000 3000 0 78. So 87036 means 63,078. Okay, it is the answer. So student, this exercise is also complete, means this chapter is completed. 3 exercise given in NCERT that I completed. 2 exercise given in RS Agrawal that also I told you. I hope you understand everything. Okay, thank you so much student.